So we're gonna be doing this little drop-in on our 2017 Raptor, which has a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine in it, but these panel filters are pretty much the exact same for any F-150 from 2011 all the way up to current. And so even if you've got a 5.0 or a 2.7 or anything like that, you can pretty much follow these same simple steps. And the first thing you're gonna wanna do is just come over to the actual air box under the hood, and we're gonna pop these two little tabs back. And once those are released, there's a slotted section that's holding the back of the top of the filter box in. So we're gonna lift a little bit and slide forward to get those tabs out. And then you can kind of push this back out of the way, and you'll see we've got our paper filter underneath. Now, paper filter is just sitting in there. There's nothing clamping that down. As you can see, ours is pretty dirty on the bottom. It's not the worst I've ever seen, but it's worth replacing for sure. So we're gonna get this out of here, throw it in the trash. And now our new K&N filter is already pre-oiled, but when you go back later to clean this and re-oil it, you'll want to make sure you have some oil from K&N that you can spray in here. You don't just want to throw anything on there or squirt WD-40 in this. You want to do it right. But it will be pre-oiled when you buy it, and that's simply going to set in place right where the paper one was. We'll push it down so we make sure all the corners are touching, and this is just going to clamp back in the same way we took it out. So we'll do the back first. Kind of wiggle it forward so that pushes in, is putting pressure. Then when you push down the front, you can clip your plastic clips on. And just like that, the panel filter's in. So like I said, it's super easy. It's definitely worth replacing if you haven't touched this or your mechanic or dealership hasn't touched it, because that dirt just builds up over time and it's only gonna hurt your motor the worse it gets. So guys, that is a wrap on this quick how-to. If you're interested in picking up one of those panel filters for yourself, you can head down to the description below and we'll have the link there to shoot you over to our website. And I'll see you guys next time.